Hi, today we are making very creamy smooth coffee mousse. Okay, first off you need 2 teaspoon coffee plus 2 teaspoon sugar with 2 teaspoon water and a good working hand. Start whisking the coffee. I'm not gonna lie, it's a tiring process, so be prepared for it. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and in the video it's I think only 30 to 40 seconds. My arm is not working anymore. When you got a little bit of foamy and fluffy texture like this, then you are done. Onto the cream, add 1 cup double cream. Roll up your sleeve and start a good whiskey business for 5 minutes straight. If you have an electric machine and electricity, then use it because you don't want to paralyze your arm. When you got a little bit of foamy and fluffy texture like this, then add 1/3 cup condensed milk and get back to work. It's gonna take 7 to 10 minutes to have a thicker and fluffy cream. Actually, whisking the cream is a lot more easier than to whisking the coffee because it was just water. When you got a fluffy cream with stiff peak, then add the coffee fluff. Okay, it's actually a little bit liquid in here because it's been sitting for a while. So if you are making this mousse, please beat the cream first and put this into the fridge and then beat the coffee so your coffee does not lose its foaminess and does not become like liquidy. Use a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and pour all the coffee mousse in it. Dab it a little bit and then seal it and put this fluffy creamy boy into fridge for 2 to 3 hours to set. Use any pudding cups, ice cream cups or any other short glasses if you have at home and make a layer of coffee mousse as a base and add some cookies. I'm using chocolate cookies to have a little bit of chunks into this smooth mousse. A layer of cookie crumbs and then another layer of coffee cream. And again a layer of cookie crumbs, and there you have it, homemade coffee mousse right in front of you. Alright, let's eat and judge it. Okay, it's actually very good. It's creamy, fluffy, have a good flavor of coffee and it's have a chunkiness from the chocolate cookies. It's not too sweet. It has a very good sweetness level. Please don't skip the cookie crumbs because they elevate the flavor of the mousse. I'm gonna give it 8.2 out of 10. So thank you. Bye.